little explorers. Today, we're going to color a magical rainbow and learn the names of its colors. Ready? Let's begin. Let's start with red. Find your red paint and color the first stripe of your rainbow. Look how bright it is!
Yeah!
Next is orange. Grab your orange paint and color the second stripe. Isn't it warm and cheerful?
Yeah!
Time for yellow. Use your yellow paint to fill the third stripe. So bright and happy.
Yeah!
Now comes green. Take your green paint and color the fourth stripe. Doesn't it feel fresh and peaceful?
Yeah!
Let's add blue. Grab your blue paint and color the fifth stripe. It's so calm and cool.
Yeah!
Here's indigo. Use your indigo paint for the sixth stripe. How beautiful!
Yeah!
Finally, color the violet. Color the last stripe of your rainbow with violet paint. Wow! Your rainbow is complete!
Yeah!
Look at your rainbow! You've used red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Let's say them together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Fantastic work, little explorers! You've made a beautiful rainbow and learned all its colors. See you next time for more fun adventures.